finally stopped raining. It's still wet. So I'm gonna kind of go on a quick ride here. Just to get out of the house. Earlier there was like tons of car over here. I don't know what's going on, but there's like traffic. So they were all heading to the park. Well, there's still some more, but I don't know why. But we're right over there. Let's check it out and see what's going on. The sun's coming out. Yes. Oh, it's nice to be able to go out and ride. At least on the pave, you know. So here's the traffic. Earlier they were like all the way back there, so there's still some here, you can see. It's just gonna be a nice easy ride on the pavement. I don't have my gears on or anything, so hopefully I don't slide on these wet road. Traffic goes all the way around in this park, so I mean on this park there's only one place to exit, one entrance, one exit. Well, exit back that way, but there's one over there that you can exit out, so I don't know if they opened it or what. Like I said, something going on here. Don't know what, but let's go find out. They're all going over there by the bike park. So we can take the trail. They all look like they're going to the bike park. Earlier, I thought they shut down the road, but I don't know. But I guess not, because something must be going on over there. So got it 2 lanes, and you get the creek down there. It's been raining, so it's running today, so it's right down there. Yep, it's got some water today on the creek. Woo! Better pay attention. Oh man, it's a little cold. Can be a lot colder tomorrow after this cold front passed through. But look, so that's where all they're going. Over there. Let's go that way. Let's find out. Oh, I know what it is. I think it's the food drive. Yeah, I think they're doing the food drive over here. Oh, that's what I should do. Maybe I'll do that later. Whew, you better be careful. Wet road. Go around later. Whew. Yeah, they're probably having a food drive over there or something. Oh man, can't wait till the sun comes out. I'll show you the creek real quick. Gilliland Creek. Got some water. The rain. We got down here. Alright, let's go back that way. Let's go see what's going on. Yep, they're doing a food drive. Yeah, there's a food drive that they're doing. Yeah. So it's Brown Santa food drive. Nice. That's cool. And the sun's out. So pretty cool. Good job, guys. I don't want to get too close. I don't have any mask on. So doing all right? How you doing? So that's cool. So that's what this is. It's at Travis County Sheriff's Brown Santa. Oh, nice. 09115. So they have, I guess they have the number, or you have to maybe register or something. But so that's the Travis County Sheriff's Brown Santa. Cool. It's nice. So all the sheriffs. Let's see if we can get a shot on one side. Another side too. We'll go that way. Wow, that's pretty cool. Because earlier it was like a lot of cars, traffic. So I thought like they shut down the road, but this is cool. So this is where they're doing it. Santa Brown, Santa. Let's go this way and I'll get a little picture. I might have to put my mask on because they might say something to me. So this is the bike park. Yeah, or skateboard, whatever. Both bike and skate. So I'm gonna go down this way and let me put my mask on so that way get my headphone out. Oh, where'd the sun? Come on. I'm just gonna do a little quick check out what's going on. So people are just driving up and they're just driving up and then they put the food in the car. So it's probably like groceries and whatnot. Yeah, pretty cool. Toys maybe. I see some toys for the kiddos. Some stuffed animal. Oh, maybe it might just be stuffed animals and stuff. Like toys and stuff. Not food. Like this. Pretty much that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. Kids, oh yeah, stuffed animals and stuff. They even have like, oh, some people have, I guess they get like a box or something. They got a number already. That's cool.
What's going on?
Good on. How you doing? So this is just Travis County giving out toys to kids and whatnot?
Yeah.
Cool.
I put in applications and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So that's what it is. Like a toy drive. Alright guys, Travis County, Brown Santa toy drive. That's cool. Merry Christmas, sir. That's what the traffic is all about earlier. So that's cool. That's nice. So all this stuff been going on this year. You know, that's nice to see, especially for the young ones. You know, the kiddos. At least have a little Merry Christmas. So yeah, that was worth the ride. That don't matter if it rains on me now, so but it's nice. It's a nice ride, so